Hey guys, so this will be a review of the Turtle Beach Impact 500 mechanical keyboard. So I am actually going to do an unboxing. So it's just taking a look at around the box. It's actually really heavy, as you probably expect. And it says change your game. And all these features. And it actually has these special keys. And the keys are actually Cherry MX Blue. So not the highest end keys, but they are still really nice. And here it says less can be more. Turtle Beach Impact 500 mechanical keyboard features minimalistic keycap layout and for minimum movement distance. And these components are protected by steel mounted chassis for construction and supreme stability. So it is the casing is apparently steel, so I'm really excited for that. And let's just open it. So it says Cherry MX right here. Now, the pricing on this, you can probably find this on Amazon, or currently you can find this on Amazon for $49.99 or $95, something like that. I'll link the Amazon link in the description box below, so check that out. And if we open the box here, we are greeted with some kind of manual keyboard, the actual keyboard, and I can already hear the keys, and there is a cable to connect the keyboard, and that's it. So that's all there is to the box. Let's put the box away. And here is the keyboard. Let's get this out of this plastic wrapping. So there's tape. And so here it is. The keyboard. This is the Impact 500 Turtle Beach. So there's this Impact 500 logo. It's actually, it's pretty heavy. It's lighter than I thought. And here's the sound. So that's just a quick sound. Here, I'll move it up to the microphone. So that's how it sounds like, basically. Yeah, so it's not a full-size keyboard, but it is a pretty nice keyboard. Very nice keys, and especially for a pretty low price compared to other mechanical keyboards with the same keycaps, it's a pretty good keyboard. So I'll definitely recommend it. The link will be in the description down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching.